You never pull these?
No, you wouldn't pull them. You either cut them
Today we are at the Colorado Center for the Blind, which is in Littleton. It is a world-renowned blind school, and the students here go through a rigorous training of 6 to 9 months, learning how to do everything again, being non-sighted. And this is what they call their legacy garden that our master gardeners have been involved with. It's kind of an extension of what the school teaches that our master gardeners are helping with out here.
We choose plants that, one, have a scent, because that's a very strong sense for them, and also plants that have some kind of different touch to them, because that's also a very strong sense for them.
Here we go. I'm going to have you lean in. There you go. That's one of the branches.
It's just a great experience to be able to get the fresh herbs, fresh vegetables, and to be able to cook with them. And the experience of having a master gardener kind of walk you around and get you oriented to all the different herbs and vegetables. I love it.
Oh my gosh, we're trying new vegetables today.
Yeah.
We've just kept working on it to keep the focus on food production for the blind students, because one of their activities is final activity is they have to cook a meal for 60 people. So providing fresh produce, and many of the students actually take the extra produce and use it at home.
So we're there to assist them and help them in the educational growth of being a gardener.
It's not just gardening, it's relationship, it's meeting people where they come from and what they bring and how we meld together.